Welcome to rheometry measurement using a Brookfield rheometer. This is lab number 1 and the first of our online labs for the remainder of the semester. So I'm going to walk you through the Canvas module so that you can see where everything is and what you're going to be expected to do. So the first thing is your lab handout. You can download this or you can view it online, but it's all present here. This is the material that you will need to know for your quiz. Now, the second page and the third page you can pretty much ignore. We're not actually going to do those things, but what we are actually doing in the data set is to determine the viscosity of samples with different levels of filler. That is what we're doing with the data set. So please make sure you understand the information given in the introduction in order to take your quiz. Your quiz is here in the module. If you cannot get to it for some reason, please let me know. So here are the details on the quiz. It is due at this particular date, and after that date it is not available anymore. So make sure that you do it by the date listed in the Canvas module. After that, you can go on to look at your data set. This is still available. Your Brookfield worksheet, here's the document for that. Then in your lab report, you will be asked to complete that worksheet. So you'll be asked to upload the completed worksheet to Canvas. So I will go back and I will pull up that worksheet so you can see it in greater detail. So there are a series of questions. In this case, there are 14 for a varied number of points apiece. Based on the data set, you should be able to answer these questions in a very straightforward fashion. Things I will call attention to: your name. Yes, I know it comes from your Dropbox, but I want your name on your worksheet. Once again, we are all juniors or seniors at the university level. This shouldn't be something that you forget. So, the number of points after each question are indicated. If you answer the question incorrectly, you will get partial credit. If you answer the question in an incomplete fashion, you will get a partial credit. In other words, you wrote something down, but not everything I wanted. If you simply leave it blank, I give you no points. So this is now the second time I'm saying it, and you will see this reiterated on the instructions for the worksheet itself. Answer all of the questions. They don't have to be flowing prose or a paragraph for each answer. In fact, you could put down a couple of words, but I do want you to answer the questions completely for complete levels of points. This should be a straightforward and easy thing for you to do to get 50 points. If you don't actually do it completely, I will not hesitate to take your points, and I will be the one grading these worksheets. So, once again, those are found in the module. Please pay attention to the dates in which that they are due. Another thing to point out is that this will not be available to you after the due date. So please make sure that you're on top of that. So you may or may not actually watch the links to the videos, but these particular videos actually cover the exact same Brookfield viscometer that we have. So these are useful tools for understanding how to use a Brookfield. And oftentimes Brookfields are what is oftentimes in a manufacturing facility because they're relatively robust, and for similar samples over time they can give good information. Now, the guy is not a multimedia sensation. He's pretty dry, but this is a total of maybe 10 minutes worth of videos, which you probably don't necessarily need to take your lab quiz, but they're here for your information should you need them in the future to do Brookfield Rheometry. So take your quiz, fill out your worksheet and upload it by the appropriate times, and good luck with Lab Report 1. If you need anything from me, please do not hesitate to ask. Thank you.